Alright guys, we're gonna install a brand new toilet here. So first I want to show you how to install the flange. So this is a flange we have here, and we have to secure this to the ground. Okay, so to do that we have to have put the screw first. So make sure these two screw, you know where is the location of it. Okay, you have to be straight. So I'm gonna choose the location of my screw first, so you see, and then I'm gonna make a hole. Okay, there is a couple spot to put the hole, but I'm just gonna do two, but it's up to you, you can do more. So the screw I use is for the concrete. So the size is a 1/4 inch and 1 1/4 long. And I'm gonna start making hole. Let's do it. I'm gonna use the hammer here to knock that cover off. Make sure the cover doesn't fall inside. This is the important part. So there is two screw. You have to put these two screw in front of each other. So it's much easier when you do that, and when you want to put the toilet on, so you don't look for the screw. Where is the screw? So make sure they are in front of each other. All right, let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to lift it. So that hole is go on that one. I'm sure everyone know, and the other one is going to the other screw. Okay, but so it's better to lift it with two hands. So the way I like it, I put the what do you call, the wax on the place. So some people they put under the toilet and do it, but I like that way, so it works. So and now I'm gonna grab two sides of the toilet and just place that, and I'm gonna sit on it. So when I sit on it, it's gonna go push it down, so everything is fine. And now, so when you put this rubber on the bottom of the tank, so there is a three hole over there. So this is all the screw. Make sure you don't put it backward because it's gonna leak. So now this is the three hole and three screw, but the screw from the black side, it has to be on the bottom. As you see, the white knot is on the top. So that's a three white knot, and the black one on the bottom. Don't go backward, so it's gonna leak. I see that happen. So this is the way you put the tank, and it's not gonna leak if you do it right. So and then we're gonna put the screw for the cover for the seat, and that's it. So we almost done. So you have to tighten the nut under it, so to secure the screw and secure the seat. There you go. You see how it's tight. There you go. The way you put this one first, and then the washer, and then the nut. So you tie the nut, and there's a cover. You can put the cover after that, so you cannot see the washer and nut anymore. So make sure you tie it with the wrench, but do not over tie it, because it's gonna break your toilet. So just as long as it's not moving, that's gonna be enough. Okay, and you do both sides. Don't tie it all the way one side and then two sides.